Let's talk about direct instruction and communication within the MinecraftEDU world. One of the easiest ways is to use signs, slates, posters, or big boards. So let's demonstrate it with this wall over here. If you go into your inventory by clicking E, once you go in here, if you go to items, you're going to notice down here there is a slew of different signs. They're all the same except for the different type of wood that's being built with. So again, you can just click on it, drag it down your quick inventory and drop it in there. The other thing we have right beside it are called chalkboards. Now there's a couple different types. There's a slate, a poster, and a board. So same thing, you would just drag and drop these right into your quick inventory. So let's hit E to get out of there. And let's look at what these are. So let's start with the sign. So when you build a sign, first off, they can go on the ground, pretty much facing anywhere, but the minute you put it in there, you are able to type on that. Now, when I click off of it, that sign is there, but the only thing with signs is you can no longer edit that. Once you place that sign, it is there, but you can also place one on a wall, a building, or any type of block as well. So I can't edit this. All I can do is, unfortunately, mine it or destroy it. So that's what a sign can do. The chalkboards are a little bit different as these are actually editable. So I'm going to choose the smallest one. Here's a slate. Same with a sign. You can place them pretty much anywhere. But the difference is you can edit these and you can lock them. So if it's locked right now, that means a student can't go in here and edit this. So it's basically saying whatever it is you want as a teacher, they come in, they can read it, things like that. But as a teacher, you can actually click on this and you can edit it as well. So unlike a sign, it is editable. Now, if I wanted to, if I unlocked it, that means this is now editable by players in my world as well. Why would we use this? Well, maybe you want to actually lay out the chalkboards for them, but they're the ones that are going to write something on there, whether it's directions or telling you something about a story. It's totally up to them. Same with the sign though, they can go up on a wall and pretty much anywhere you want in lots of different directions. It's always facing you. So no matter where you are, that's the direction it's going to be facing. So now you can see they're kind of on an angle. The other options are, if I go here, this is a poster. I'm just going to put them up on the wall so you can see the difference in size. So this is a poster. It's a little bit longer than an actual slate. And then finally, if you have lots of writing to do, there is a board. And a board is quite large. You can write half a story on here. It's so big. So these are the different types that you can use. Remember, you can place them pretty much anywhere you want. But these are a great way for you to communicate in your Minecraft world. When they're walking through it, you can give them instructions, you can tell them what to do, or you can also use them as communication. You can have the students write them, they can leave things in their world, or leave it open to edit, and then they can come in and they can click on it, or they can edit the board to leave you messages or describe what's going on in their world as well. That's how you can leave direct instruction using signs and chalkboards.